The HF VHF UHF HexTenna comes with a mount that installs on your mast. Once you've installed the mount, you then just simply screw the HexTenna hub into place on the mount. Next, install the heavy-duty stainless steel whips by screwing them into the HexTenna hub labeled Dipole Element 1 and Dipole Element 2. Last, install your coaxial feed line into the SO239 located here. Once deployed, the HexTenna can be rotated to change the direction of the signal pattern. A V-dipole also changes 72 ohms to 50 ohms. So, no lossy balance are required. This system can also be deployed as a vertical. To accomplish this, simply remove both of the dipole elements and install just one of the telescopic elements at the position marked vertical. Use counterpoise. When deployed as a vertical antenna, the included counterpoise will then install at the location labeled counterpoise for vertical, as seen here. The HexTenna covers 2 to 40 meters in UHF. There are no lossy coils to adjust when tuning. Simply adjust the whips. To learn more, please visit alphaantenna.com.